Hello, early college students. This video is to help you with questions about the Lockdown browser that your STC courses are requiring for whenever it comes time to test. So here's what we know so far. The Lockdown browser cannot be installed on a personal Chromebook. STC won't allow it. However, if you get a school-issued Chromebook, it's already installed. We believe that you can download it on a personal laptop or desktop, but you would have to verify that with STC. So if you have a school-issued Chromebook, as soon as you open up, before you sign in, down here at the bottom, you're going to see the apps button. Click on it one time, and then click on Lockdown browser. Takes a little less than a minute to initiate and to load. Once it does, it's going to ask for the institution name. In other words, you're going to type in South Texas College. Begin with the word South. And then from there, scroll down till you'll see South Texas College. Select it, click select. And that's it. You accept the privacy terms, and from there you log in with your JAGNet credentials. It shouldn't ask you to type in South Texas College every time. It should just happen the one time, but if it does, just type the word South and look for South Texas College. Once you've done whatever you need to do with the Lockdown browser, you do need to shut off your Chromebook before you can use it for normal use. All you'd have to do is hold down the power button and then power off. Hope this helps.